a 3D printer works. Says, I honestly don't know what they're making. Another one. Oh God, they're hot. I know, I'm not. Eh? Do you guys know what that is? Back to this one. It says 51% remaining. These things are so cool to watch. They're building bridges.
They go to VCT and competitions last 2 years.
That's cool. I can't tell what they're making. Building final J, and they're building a barn. I wonder what this one is. Jeff Dunham has a big, huge one of these. How big is that TV? How big is that TV? This is so satisfying. Just watching it. Yeah. Is there a hole through the top? Yep. Whoa! These are some huge computers. I know. They still haven't placed down that play script. This is cool. Oh, really?
Yeah, they didn't.
Luckily, we came in at this time. Yeah, it says 4 hours remaining. These take a while. I guarantee you that one goes faster. What do they have? Black lights on it? Or something like that? Whoa, Apple computer? Sweet, can I borrow it? Wow. So they basically... Oh, I don't know quite yet. Those are some nice bikes. I love those bikes.